In today's video, I'm going to teach you to import live web data into Google Sheets with one formula. If you've ever wanted your spreadsheet to pull information directly from a website instead of copying and pasting it manually every time, this is a great place to start. The process is simple, and once you understand the basic workflow, it can save you a lot of time when tracking public data online. First, identify your source data. You want to find a public website that contains a table or list you'd like to track inside Google Sheets. This could be pricing information, rankings, statistics, schedules, or any other publicly visible structured data. The important thing is that the content is available on a web page and organized in a way that can be referenced from your sheet. As you choose the page, take a moment to make sure you are on the exact page that contains the data you want. Not just the website homepage. That small detail can make a big difference later. Next, copy the link. Go to your browser's address bar, highlight the full URL, and copy it completely. Be careful to copy the entire web address exactly as it appears so your formula points to the correct source. If the page has extra tracking text in the URL, it's often a good idea to make sure you are using the cleanest version of the link available, as that can help keep things more reliable and easier to manage in your spreadsheet. Once you have the link, move over to your Google Sheet and click on cell A1. This is where you'll enter your formula. Starting in A1 keeps things organized, especially if the imported data expands into multiple rows or columns. Type your formula directly into that cell, making sure the URL is included correctly and that your quotation marks, parentheses, and commas are placed exactly where they belong. With formulas like this, even a small typo can prevent the data from loading properly. So it's worth entering it carefully. After that, give Google Sheets a moment to process the request. Depending on the website and the amount of data, the results may appear almost instantly or take a few extra seconds. If something doesn't load the first time, double-check the link and your formula entry before trying again. This is a simple but powerful way to bring live web data into your spreadsheet and keep your information more up to date with less manual work. Thanks for watching.